The first muscle group that we're going to hit are the calves. Bring the right foot over the left, hips up high, which will add more pressure. We're gonna roll from the ankle to the back of the knee. When you find that pressure point, hold, flex the toe downwards and upwards. The next muscle group are the hamstrings. Very similar to the calves. We're gonna place the foam roller underneath the knee, place the right leg over the left leg, lift and roll all the way to the bottom of the glute, and then roll to the back of the knee. Finding that pressure spot and holding. The third muscle group is called the piriformis. We're gonna do our left side, so we're gonna put our right foot flat, left foot over that right knee, and I'm gonna turn towards that left glute. And I wanna roll all the way through. You find that spot, hold, and breathe.